Hey, are you a guitar player stuck, still trying to figure out how to play solos using plain old scales? Seriously, stop it right now. No, this isn't a joke or some sort of scam. I'm Nick Morrison from GuitarDojo.ca. I'm here to help you make music fun again. Over the past 20 years as a professional guitarist, composer, best-selling author, and a teacher to students around the world, I've seen a lot of Guitarists just like you are still sitting there wondering how to play a decent solo and get out of that plain old boring blues box. And I get it, it's kind of hard. Guitar players like you and me have been stifled by scales and theory or even the caged system because those positions literally keep you trapped in a box. It takes any fluidity out of your playing. Think about it. I bet you that the very first scale you learned, the minor pentatonic, you're still stuck playing it with no idea how to get out of it, aren't you? Look, it's not your fault. 9 out of 10 students I teach come to me with the exact same issues, but I'm going to change all of that for you right now. Seriously, the solution is not hours and hours of practice of mindless drills up and down the neck. And it's not natural talent like that 12-year-old kid on Instagram that you might believe. And it sure as doesn't involve getting your master's or doctorate in music theory. If you've got 15 minutes right now, I'm going to show you how you can play guitar solos all across the fretboard in any key without using any confusing music theory. Nothing is more fun than blazing seamlessly around the neck and sounding amazing on guitar. Seriously, once you see this and you realize how easy it is, your guitar playing is gonna explode. And I'm not even asking any money for this. I'm gonna give you this lesson so you can go and start shredding seamlessly right now. You heard it right, completely for free. There is no email list to sign up for, nothing to register for, nothing. No BS, just fun. Just click the link or button below and you can take the lesson completely for free with no obligation whatsoever right now from your phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. By the way, I've named this system the Fretboard Infinity Loop, and it's been absolutely life-changing for my students and how they play guitar solos. Some of them have never even played a lead line in their lives. They thought they were just rhythm guitar players. No matter how old you are, whether you've been playing the guitar for years or months, or maybe you're just now picking it up. Maybe you're picking it back up after a long absence and you only have 15 minutes a day. Don't worry, I designed this lesson to be fast and easy and thinking ahead that you might not even know how to name a single note on the guitar fretboard. With my Fretboard Infinity Loop system, I know you'll experience the exact same thing my students are hearing, seeing, and feeling. So let me repeat one more time, right now. This lesson is yours, completely free. No strings attached. This isn't a joke, and this isn't some scam. No here. I just want you to have this so you can discover how much fun playing the guitar can really be. I want to help you make music fun again. If you're still skeptical like some of my other students were, then look at it this way. What's the worst that can happen? You have literally nothing to lose and everything to gain. All you got to do is click that button or link below and you will get instant access to the lesson. Just bookmark it, and you can watch it as many times as you like. To be honest though, I'm expecting a huge surge for this resource, so I'm not sure how long I'll be able to keep it online and open for free for everyone, so you should probably go check it out right now. I want you to experience the Infinity Loop system for yourself. It's yours free, so click the button now.